Hey folks, time for another update on Frankie the Caravan. I finally started to pull up the vinyl floor this week. This stuff hasn't aged well, has it? So I used a chisel and elbow grease for a while before getting frustrated with the slow progress, and then a couple of new toys arrived, including this lightweight ladder, which will be perfect for bringing on the road with us. Using the multi-tool with a scraper attachment sped things along nicely, and I think a heat gun would have been helpful here as well to soften the glue. The subfloor is in pretty good shape, despite a few damp areas. We'll probably just use this wood hardener and then roll on a few coats of primer to protect it. I needed to cut one of these for the other side so that the aluminium has something to screw into. So I started out with a few angle cuts and scribed along the edge to get the curve. Then I cut a few lengths of timber to replace the frame that was rotten at the front here. I removed some of the old wires and then called it a day. So this was our progress for the week. It doesn't feel like much, but it's nice to know that the front of the van is ready to move on to some bigger and more exciting jobs. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you the same time next Sunday. Ciao for now. Called it a day. Called it a day. Called that a day. Called it a day.